Welcome to the 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is voracious. It is spelt V-O-R-A-C-I-O-U-S. Think vor, A, C, and then ius. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Voracious means having an insatiable appetite for an activity or consumption. It is often used to describe someone who is eager, hungry, or greedy for something, whether it be food, knowledge, or experience. For example, you could say, "The giant man-eating shark was voracious," or "The learner was voracious in her hunt for knowledge." The word voracious comes from the Latin word vorax, which means devouring, and it is often used to describe someone who has an appetite for something. In the children's animated film Monsters, Inc., the main character Sully, a big fluffy monster, is voracious in his ability to scare children in order to generate energy for the city. This makes him the company's top scarer. Synonyms for voracious are ravenous, insatiable, eager, and greedy. Antonyms for voracious include sated, satisfied, and content. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, voracious. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time.